roast jokes back and forth. Feel free to interact, or feel free to like react to each joke. Give it like, listen to it, hear it, react, feel it. Some of it's gonna be dark. Some of them are gonna take a couple seconds for you to understand how mean you're being to each other. It's like a filter, you know, when you see somebody actually being rude, you almost don't really see it happen. Are you fucking kidding me? Like it's gonna take like that build up. That's okay, we're gonna give it that time. So each one's gonna get 3 jokes back and forth. The judges will decide a winner. If 2 of the 3 judges say draw, we go into sudden death overtime. 2 more jokes back and forth. Then we decide a winner. Winner moves on. Loser calls it a night. Drinks their sorrows away at the bar. Sounds good? Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Introducing first.
And just letting you know that all of us over here don't really give a shit if you guys are mad with us. We're all right with that. Okay, here we go.
Yeah. And the judges have a microphone too, so they have the right to speak at any point in time. You want to say some shit? Say some shit. I'm all for it. It's going to be chaos. Ladies and gentlemen, coming to the battle ring first, a longtime performer of Power Up Comedy. I believe got her start in a Power Up Comedy open mic. Has flourished from there. Give it up from Rhonda Henson! Good photo. Alright. The next comedian coming to the stage, he's new to the comedy scene. We just recently saw him pop up in several open mics. They just recently did a live taping show with us at Power Up. Give it up for Ivy! I just realized I don't have a coin on me for the coin flip, so we're gonna do the dollar flip, Maui High style. You guys ready? All right. Ron, you were the first introduced. You get to pick. Do you want heads or tails? Odds or evens? They're taking heads. All right. Ron likes heads. With stage lights. You guys have no idea what hard that is. All right. Heads! Do you want to go first or second?
I will let Ivan go first.
Oh! Alright, well, there's nothing left but to do it, ladies and gentlemen. Are we ready for the roast? I said, are we fucking ready for the roast? Competitors ready for the roast? Well then, 3, 2, 1, get it!
Your name, Rhonda, suggests that you are a black woman. But you are whiter than me, and I thought that was impossible. Yeah, you look like an albino vegan vampire who's also a feminist vigilante who doesn't need to dye her hair to look like a lesbian.
Snap. Big snap.
I love it. I think, Ivan, that you have like so much potential as a comedian. I've been seeing you go for a while, and like, honestly, I'm not saying that as a joke. Like, the second that you learn how to speak English, you'd be hilarious.
I'm trying to learn the language, but first I'm going for your jaws.
Again?
Seriously, you look like a toilet. Because you're ready to take shit from everyone, and you're so white in the inside that I'm sure that your husband uses you as a condom.
In Argentina, do you have toilets?
Yeah, we have bidet, actually.
The first time I saw you, I thought, this guy kind of looks like Shaun White, the professional snowboarder. And then you talked, and I was like, oh my god, he sounds like Shaun White after getting a traumatic brain injury. Uncanny.
I know I'm a male prostitute, but you know that too, because you paid me to pee on your mouth.
I think it's the only money you got this month.
You tip me well.
I'm gonna be honest. For a while, I thought you were a terrorist. And it's not because you're a dirty foreigner. It's because of the number of times I've seen you bomb on stage.
Oh my God. Wow. Rhonda, that's proving that white privilege doesn't necessarily mean white. Good roast, guys. Judges, what do we think? Let's go down the line real quick.
Oh.
Well, I guess I'm first then.
Okay, guess you're first. Oh, she was first with her.
I'm sorry. Women are witty.
Yeah?
I'm just saying, women are witty.
Well, they're good arguments, that's for
Yeah.
sure.
Yes, very much. I'm so sorry, bro. But, like, I'm picking my system.
Go with Rhonda. All right, one vote for Rhonda.
Wow, annihilation, just drop the bomb. I think you're the terrorist, girl. I mean, from the beginning of the run, I was like, rush, can we just end this? Cause this girl just jumped in here. Like, honestly, and I'm an immigrant, and, you know, I did learn how to speak English, so come again.
That's another vote for Rhonda. First ceremony, only go anything.
So this is the tiebreaker?
I mean, your opinion is irrelevant, but we'll give it to you anyways. Rhonda, three votes, Rhonda. All right, thank you so much, Congress. Rhonda's advancing to the second round. Excellent battle, Rhonda. Keep it going for that first roast battle you guys got tonight. I know you can only understand about 75% of it, but what you got was juicy. Juicy. Where's the board at? Trish, you got the board still?
We got it!
I gotta see who's next.
Abra and Shane.
Oh. Alright, well let's just introduce them in that order. I thought I left it right there.
I'm sorry, guys.
Brother, brother.
Alright,
Brother.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, another comedian that recently started joining us at the open mics. She's been doing great. She's hosted several of them already, accelerated beyond the time that she's been doing it. Give it up for Abra!
Is that like abracadabra?
The first half, yes.
Sorry,
Abra. A-B-R-A. Abra.
okay. Sorry, I just want to get this straight.
Yeah, not Abra.
He wants to reach out and grab you. Right now.
Which is getting him canceled. Alright, Abra, come up on stage, grab Mike. Ladies and gentlemen. Coming to the stage next, one of the comedians who's been performing with them alongside Power Comedy and Maui Comedy Live. He's hilarious. You've got him all around the Power shows. Give it up for Shaheen Nelson! Even when he punches, he throws shots. Alright, Abra, you were the first announced, so you get the call on the coin flip. Do you want heads or tails?
I want to go first.
You want to go first? Are you okay with that, Shane?
Yeah, I am okay.
Fuck destiny, fuck fate, and fuck coin flip.
Dude, this shit is awkward as shit, bro. For real. It feels good. It feels good.
Let's
I'm saying.
just get it out of the way. It's like a shot in the ass. Alright,
Nice.
roasters, are we ready? Audience, are we ready for roast number 2? And let's do it. 3, 2, 1, battle!
Hi, Shane. I wanted to tell you that I really respect you as a comedian, and I have a lot of love and caring for you in my soul, so I got you this present. To save time, I'll explain it as you unwrap it. The first thing you'll find in there is condoms, and I know you prefer magnums, but a trash bag. You know, and then the second thing, the condoms are there to protect you. They need to be tight, you know? That's how they protect you. The second thing in the bag is the cream, the ointment from the last time you wore condoms. Many condoms, that is. Yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to, you know, help you out a little bit there. Oh, and with the ointment, when you put it on, you're supposed to put it on and then let it breathe. So you may need to hire a landscaper to like do some bushwhacking down there.
Nice props, you flightless bird. Abra, when I see you, one word comes to mind. Blow. Because your comedy, your stand-up blows. You look like you do too much blow. She'll blow any day she can, and if a gust of wind came along right now, you would blow away.
That was sweet. Shane, I think you need to work on your branding a little bit. You know, you started as Shane, and then you were your, what was it, chocolate stain Shaheen? And now you're Shaheen. Shaheen! Until you can come up with like a really good burn, I think we should just call you Shh.
I called you a flightless bird. That was nice for a featherless bird as well. Abra, you have huge hands. Take a moment, everyone. Look how big Abra's hands are. If a man had hands that big, people would say, wow, that guy must be hung like a horse. He must have a horse-sized cock. But Abra's a woman, so she doesn't have a horse cock. But she does have a horse face.
You know, I really did pay attention to you, and I heard the pain in your soul when you were calling yourself Chocolate Stain Shane. So I got you another present. This is a poor man's portable bidet. It's right up your alley. Don't worry, it's clean water.
You're gonna need more props, strawberry shortcake.
Oh, yeah.
Abra, when people see you, they always ask the same question. They say, Abra, does the carpet match the drapes? And the answer is yes. The carpet does match the drapes in the sense that they're both in need of a desperate remodel. And they've both been torn up, ripped up, and piss-stained by alcoholic carpenters.
And that's the roast battle, ladies and gentlemen. Well, it's up to the judges. It's up to the judges. I mean, if it's voted a draw, they won't get 2 more.
This was a tough one, honestly. Right up until the end, I was like, I could either go, you know, either way. I'm not sure. I almost want to draw, honestly, just because I feel like, you know, one is like too many props, and the other one's like all like look stuff, but like looks is easy, like, you know. But what I want to know is their history, because you talking about the carpets and the drapes, like you knew what they look like. So that's what I want to know.
That's a vote on a draw based on the spicy implications. I like it.
I'm going to say Abra.
So to vote as the great decider here, if he votes for Shaheen, it goes to overtime. If he votes for draw, it goes to overtime.
I'm divorced, so that thing is like fucking with me right now. Like, I'm sorry, but
Just
like,
remember the size of her hands.
no,
It'll be okay.
honestly, no, like for real though, this guy can hold his own. Yeah. He can totally hold his own.
So Jason Schmiegel and Uma Thurnhans are gonna go at it one more time. You guys ready for the last two punchlines?
Fucking bitch ass.
Alright, so since you picked first time, you get to pick. Do you want to go first or second?
Dude, I'll go first.
Ooh! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, two more jokes left. Starting with your hand, we're gonna do it. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
You gargoyle bitch. Yeah, the things he's scared about, I'm not gonna talk about her looks because apparently it offends our one female judge. But Amber is such a fucking whore, dude. She's such a fucking whore. That after she fucked every dude on this island, she had to find the biggest dick possible. That's why her ex, right there with the camera, looks like a giant cock.
He will be roasting later. He will be roasting later.
Nice props, dude. Oh,
You know, Shane, or whatever the fuck you call yourself. I heard how you met your girlfriend. You found her dog after it had been missing for an entire week, and you called, and then you were so chivalrous. You were like, I can't accept a reward for this. And she fell so in love. And I'm just wondering, did you ever come clean about kidnapping the dog in the first place? You know, luring it away with that tiny weenie in your pockets. Oh, it's a hell of a way to get a fucking phone number. You know what, Shane? Your girlfriend, she must really love you, because that's the only way she can stay with you, because the more you love someone, the more beautiful and attractive they become. So, sorry, I said that backwards. Oh well, you get it.
Give it up for Sean!
Is that true? Did you find her dog?
Oh no, she did have another prop. Oh. No prop!
A little tiny truck there.
Did you write the joke?
Alright, judges.
Alright.
Based on that final performance, what do you think?
Shaheen.
Shaheen, one vote for Shaheen. Mandatory vote. Oh! Put on for posterity.
I didn't fuck her. So yes, hey, Shane.
Keep it going, ladies and gentlemen. Great battle. 100 out of you two. There's some heat there. We're going to have to have a later. What'd you get?
What the fuck?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
It works for chap lips as well as chap buttholes, guys. Just so you know.
If anybody wants this, let us know.
It's good enough for your ass, it's good enough for your face. All right.
Bitch slap someone, you know.
Where's that roast board, Trish? Give me the next roast battle. Who we got?
Corey and Mark. History there, guys. I don't know what you guys think. Corey and Mark. History there.
All right.
They knew a little too much about each other's exes there.
If there's not a
Should we
history,
call the cops about animal kidnapping?
if there's not a history porno, there's definitely a future crime show. For sure. I can see like a Snapped or like something like, so they had a roast battle at a local club.
I'm not offended by anybody doing the looks, but I feel like men are more offended when you hit their character, and women are more offended when you hit the looks. So I feel like men should focus on what they know hurts.
Yeah, it's interesting. It's interesting.
We
There's
should
different-
just keep our fucking opinions to ourselves. Thank you.
You're judging.
We gotta roast each other.
Yeah, you guys can roast each other. That mask makes you so powerful.
And so you got the little thing hanging right here, like,
It's
what
like-
is this? What is this? One awkward hair, like beard, that ski mask beard.
The alfalfa beard.
You can't pull it out if you like. That's fine.
Us girls know about that one here. You have the chin that you pull out sometimes.
That's the lucky one. When you find a girl with a hair on her chin, you put a bean on it. You celebrate it. So I love that shit. All right, let's go ahead and get this going. We got more roast battles. All right, ladies and gentlemen, coming to the stage. We have two comedians that have hardly met each other, and that's going to make this entertaining. You guys ready for some more battles? How are we doing over here? Are you guys roasting each other at your tables? Are we going to cause like a bunch of couple fights on the way home? Is that what happened? Because if we drive with honey, we should roast battle on the way home. That's the way home. You're like, I don't love you anymore. How about that?
We're gonna cause some shit, right?
Yeah, oh shit. It's gonna happen. Alright. Coming to the stage, Corbin, choose first. Coming to the stage, another comedian who was recently at one of our tapings. He's hilarious. He's been doing open mics for the past couple of years. He always brings his Maui Bruco crew. If they're here tonight, they're here to support Corey Poe! Pose. It's the most he's flexed in a long time. He's like, I didn't like that. I got a cramp. And come to the stage, pick whichever mic you want. And coming to the stage next, another person who's been joining us for our open mics. Been a supporter of the comedy team for a while, and he started joining comedy since we had open mics here in the playground, right? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mark Hill! The winner of this roast battle will receive one bacon cheeseburger, you skinny fucks. Look at the both of you. Jesus. In the arms of the
Bro, I'm telling you now, for one cent a fucking week, you can take care of these children here.
Yeah, thank you. I like that. That's fine. All right.
Yeah.
Corey, you were introduced first. You can pick heads or tails. Tails. It is tails. You'd like to go second. That means, Mark, you are first. Are we ready? Battlers, are we ready? Audience members, are we ready? Well, then it's time to watch the third roast battle. 3, 2, 1, battle!
I knew you'd choose to go second before I fuck it. You look like you fuck books.
When people in Maui want to take a shower, they say bocha. That is, except of course for old Mark here, who says, "What's a shower?"
True, I only wash my hair like once a month.
Is it off one?
Alright, so the first thing you probably masturbated to was either your mother or a calculator.
Mark, I think Instagram just created a new filter just for you. It's called Whiteout.
White privilege? Is that what we're getting at?
It's not working for you.
Alright, so the only way for you to get laid, I think, is either you check into a hotel here in Maui or Hawaii and they give you a lay. Or you pay your hard-earned, what little money you make at Maui Bruco to a hooker that has one arm and something weird growing on her neck. And the only way you get laid is you have to pay for it either way.
You wrote that down? I think after the show you should get a DNA test, just so we can figure out once and for all which member of the Addams family was your real dad. Was it Uncle Fester or Lurch? Hell, I think Thing had a hand in your conception.
You just validated my point that you're probably still a virgin.
That's battle number 3. Battle number 3. Oh my God, Mark flexing hard with making more money, but thanks for dressing up, pal. Jesus. You don't look like you're making money. All right. Judges, what's your 2 cents? Go ahead and throw it in. What you gonna say?
Well, again, in the beginning, it was like, which way it's gonna go? You know, the fuck bugs thing was pretty funny, and you know, like your calculator. But then, you know, honestly, I missed which name was who, but you pretty much took
This
it.
was Corey.
And like even that like the under your breath joke, like honestly, you helped me from there, cause I was like.
So it's a vote for Corey, it sounds like, right? A vote for Corey.
Yes. River Sloan cosplay.
Asian Jerry Seinfeld, you got over here, all right.
Corey.
All right.
I'm sorry. Corey.
Mark, thank you so much for joining us for the Rose Battle. Give it up for Corey and advance to the next round. You guys having fun so far?
You're right.
Oh, it's like somebody plays the back music this time. Who knows what one-man band?
Now this way.
We having fun tonight, it's a real bad time. You know it's gonna be down to the wire, yeah. Who's gonna take it tonight? Who's gonna be the best in the mic tonight? We got chicks to the left and boys to the right. Everybody coming in, we bring it in tight, yeah. We got the condoms, we got that little notion. It says cootie killer, but you know the only killer is me in the mic. And I like I know I in the beat, but keep it going. People who can let the jokes.
That's why we get some talented ass judges for little fucking random moments like that.
Yes.
Can't pay to see that anywhere else. That's gonna help me out. Okay.
That's why you get paid the big bucks. That means an extra drink.
Yes, it's gonna
Bring
be
me
like
the drink.
that.
Oh, no drinks on stage.
Same side. Okay.
So it is. Rhonda.
All right, so we're splitting up the brackets. We're getting ready for the next
Corey,
round
By the way,
of roast battles.
you record that
One of
right?
our competitors couldn't make it tonight,
Forever.
unfortunately. So what we're going to do is her competitive talent is going to be doing a stand-up comedy set as we prepare for the next round as well. Make sure that she still gets the stage time that she deserves. Very sorry that one of our competitors decided to pull up like a little bitch. All right. No, they're going to do that. Don't worry about it.
Loser.
Little bitch. I love her. She's a little bitch.
That's a loss. She's a loser.
It's a forfeit, yeah. So we can call her a little bitch because she forfeits, and that's what. So that's gonna be happening after one more battle. So get yourself ready for it. Yeah, but she didn't show up. No, stop. See, that's how love court is. All right, on to the show. We got one more roast battle for the first round. You guys ready for the last first battle round? All right, actually, you listen to us ready to introduce first. Ladies and gentlemen, coming to the stage, an internationally known comedian, but we're lucky enough that she calls Maui her home stage. Give it up for the one and only Angie the Diva! Keep it going for Angie, ladies and gentlemen. Look what the neck track is. Did you say raw fish? Oh man, that's funny. I can't even tag on that. Alright. And coming to the stage next, another comedian who's joined Power of Comedy for the past few years. We love having him on our shows. We just recently recorded his set as well. Get over Nick Metalship! He's the one referenced earlier that looks like a giant dick. Here, put this on. You might get fucked. All right.
He's not gonna get fucked.
He's not gonna get fucked. All right.
Thank you.
All right. There we go. Mic check. Competitors, are we ready?
Yeah, hi Angie.
Audience, are we ready for the final of the first round? No, there's nothing to be said. Let's just go ahead and do it. 3, 2, 1, battle! Oh, wait.
Who's going
First
first?
and
This is your whole fucking job.
That's my job. Next person job.
Fire!
And you think you're the only ones who showed up high, fuckers? All right?
Ladies first.
And you got mention this first? You want to do heads or tails?
That last one you landed, killed her. Like, it was amazing.
It's heads?
That was
Go first,
just
Dick.
can't.
We know you're gonna come first.
Dick goes first. Alright, now we know.
Yeah, I would want to come first. And you know, the first time I saw you do comedy, I was so impressed how you kept the crowd for 20 minutes just riveted, waiting for a punchline. And then the applause that came when you finally got off stage was amazing. I gotta say, you do your best stand-up when you're lying on the ground.
You know, they told me that I was battling you, and I really had to wrap my brain on who the fuck is that? Exactly. To be honest, when I first met you, I was like, I know I've seen this guy before. Aren't you the guy who played the stunt double in the Happy Valley Community Theater program of Breaking Bad? No, that ain't it.
But you know,
Alright,
coming from someone with a trailer park diploma, I really appreciate that.
I'm listening. What'd you say? Stop listening. Go ahead. It's your turn.
You know what? It must be a relief that all the Chileans trapped up there finally fell out, so you can have sex with minors again.
You know, it takes one to know one, somebody who sleeps with minors. I had to ask my daughter for a little help with this one, and I showed her your picture, and she was like, he looks like the Florida man arrested for lurking outside of an elementary school for impersonating a good touch, bad touch puppy. But to be fair, your name does sound like it came right off the sex offenders list. Nick Nettleship.
That's a good joke, Angie, because I helped the person that wrote it for you. It's good.
It was my daughter. She's 15, a minor. She loves you right now.
Still in prison. You know, what really impressed me about you, Angie, is that, you know, for an abandoned baby that was raised by wolves, that you can manage your OnlyFans, smoking heroin, and community service, and still have time on the weekends to visit your kids in prison, and come here to insult your friends.
I got it. I know who the fuck you are. You're the guy who used to pay me to suck the air out of his silicone suit. I couldn't recognize you without the zipper in front of your face. You know, the audacity of you talking to me standing upright, it really, I'm gonna step on your nuts later.
That's a great joke stolen from YouTube that I saw. Thank you very much.
Really? What YouTube we watching? Because you look way over the age bracket for that. Did one of your kids help you with it? Maybe it was your ex-girlfriend, Amber. I don't know.
I think that's 3, right? I always get involved before somebody else gets
That's great coming from Angie the Diva, because if you look up Diva in the dictionary, you will have opened one more book than she ever had.
We can keep letting him go and still win. Can we just get him to
Yeah, when you ask for one more, it better be heater. Sorry, Nick. That was close. Holy shit. Are those the shoes you're gonna step on his nuts with?
Yes, they are. You paid for them. You know, there's something
Hold
there.
on. These are heels that are laced up. They're not falling off on that nut stuff. That's a combo breaker. Ladies and gentlemen, get up for the battlers that you just heard. All right, judges, what do we think?
Oh man. Baby Vin Diesel. Mr. Mini Italian Job. Oh man, I feel bad sometimes for white males nowadays. But even, you know, I love stereotype jokes, and I'm a Latina, and I'm like all about, like, I'll be the first one to rip on myself. But even those, bro, I'm sorry, but you got some ice for your nuts later, maybe?
So who was that go for? Was that for Angie? Okay. I need verbal consent. This is 2023.
Alright.
I know better than to speak for a woman. That's not
Put
happening.
it in writing, okay?
Thank you, honey. Appreciate it.
Angie the Diva.
If only I could read. All right, Angie. Lee, what do you think?
Angie.
Damn, that was a roast in itself. Obviously. Hey, come on.
Put on your blue dress. You'll step on my nuts with that heel. Give me some of that sweet perfume.
Thanks for hugging it out, you guys. Give it up for Roasters.
I like that, like, you know, the good comedy was on the floor because Ashley was kind of true. If you know her stuff, but honestly, yeah.
Well done. I'm so sorry you lost, but I know you love getting beat by women, so I'm glad that you get that. Angie's moving on to the next round. Congrats, Angie.
What's your guys' Italian job? No, look at that. Gosh, come on, help me somebody. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Who liked the Italian Job?
You know the movie, The Italian Job? What's the guy that drives
What was that?
Jason Statham! Thank you! But no, you look like Jason Statham, so don't be sad, because, you know, I'm sure some girls would love to fuck you.
That's a very generous gift from the judge.
I was round
As long
two
as you're
started.
like, you know, 5 feet, right?
Boom, 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 boom. You're against Angie. That's what? You're against Angie. Oh, really? Yep. Okay.
It's like Jason Statham without the accent, which means it's just a bald white guy.
Right.
I know that goes. All right. So roast battlers, I believe we have, what is it, Rhonda versus Shahane.